Hello, Erna. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my partner Mary the other day about getting more leads and more business to you guys' company. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for watching this video. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on you guys' website you can do super easy to beat out Boutique Tree. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Atlanta Tree Service, which gets about 720 clicks a month right here in this GMB section, as well as down here in the organic listing section. And I know you guys aren't located directly in Atlanta, so I'll explain to you why I consider those your top competitors in a second. So I know you're probably sitting there asking yourself why I'm making this video for you. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't really have time to learn how the internet could bring them more leads and more business itself. And the only thing really stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is and who isn't an expert. So I found out by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, some owners go out and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to just educate you and just give you some good information. So like I said before, I wanted to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So I'm going to start here first with content. As you see, we have your guys' site right here up. Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages because in their eyes, that's what's going to keep customers on your page longer. And it's going to keep them on Google longer, which ups the chances of people purchasing ads and doing all those things Google likes to see. So Google's crawling websites for all this content you guys have here. So obviously, you guys are meeting the authority mark right here when it comes to content. You guys have very good content on your guys' website. So that's not something we should spend a lot of time for or time on. Sorry about that. As we hop over here to Boutique Tree, we see you guys are really just killing them in this aspect. You guys are definitely beating them when it comes to the authority mark. And I'll show you in a second why they're outranking you here. But equally important to content would be keywords. So keywords is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for business. So for example, Atlanta Tree Service would be a keyword. As you see, you get 720 clicks alone. So just adding these high volume keywords to your front page will help you get ranks for it, and it'll help Google show you it'll help Google send people to your site when they're looking for those keywords. So finding those keywords you guys want to be ranked for and then adding them on your front page, that'll help you get a lot of volume in here. So my second tip I want to go over is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies because they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using Pizza Hut linking back to your site. So Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs for this. There's a lot of free backlink checkers out there. You don't have to use this one. I pay for this one. But as we see, you guys have 75 different websites giving you a total of 5.6K backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks we have here, but kind of like how I went over earlier, not all backlinks are created equal. So even though you have a lot of backlinks, you want powerful backlinks. As we hop over here, and you can also see the amount of keywords you guys are using on your website and the amount of traffic you guys have here. Let's hop over here to Boutique Tree. You see they have 147 different websites, giving them a total of 572 total backlinks. And you see they're using 2.8K keywords, which is bringing them about 1.2K of organic traffic to their website. So coming out and getting these backlinks is super simple. All you need to do is copy them. So if these links was good enough to get them ranked, they're going to be good enough to get them. They're going to be good enough to get you ranked. So you want to just come in here. You can see all the websites they have their business listed in. And you want to come in here. Some of these are blogs. So you just create an account, leave a little comment, and then drop a link back to your website. Or some of these are directories. You just drop your website information in here, and that's basically it. So backlinks and content and keywords is what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section right here. And I know you guys are located in Roswell, which is completely fine, but Atlanta gets a lot more volume and searches per month, and it's not too far from Roswell. So I would attack trying to go after these Atlanta keywords right here on your website. That'll bring you in a lot more volume. So if you want to be ranked right here at the top of Google in this Google My Business section, or we call it the map pack, This has everything to do with citations. And all citations are completely free, and you just have to have more citations than these guys right here. And a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just anywhere you can list your business in. So, such as like Yelp, Facebook, or White Page, or just any sites that are like those. So I like to use this site called whitespark.ca. As we see, you guys here have 11 citations right here. Boti Tree has 70. So similar to backlinks, you can come in here, see exactly what citations these guys have, and you should go out there and get all these for your guys' site as well. So if these guys have 70 citations, you can come in here and sign up for all these as well. They're all free. And then you want to go out and get more. So I would suggest going out getting 150 to 200 citations just to really blow these guys out of the water. So that's all I have for you today, Erna. Quick recap. You guys have great content on your page, so that's not an issue, but just making sure you're adding in those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for to tell Google that people should be seeing this beautiful site you guys have here. So adding in those keywords to that content. Second would be backlinks. Going out and copying those backlinks that these guys have right here for you guys, because if they was good enough to get them ranked, they're good enough to get you ranked. So, and then same thing with citations, coming in here and just grabbing all of these citations and going out and listing them for yourself. So I try to be pretty brief right here and try to keep it as quick as possible. I hope this information was useful. Again, my name is Devin, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 775 402 2885. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.